Welcome to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. Goes viral for heartwarming gesture under the rain. Dressed in her official ceremony naval uniform, Princess Anne was walking alongside officers and a female priest in the rain. Noticing the priest was forced to use a feather to shield herself from the rain, Princess Anne quickly took action. She immediately ordered an umbrella and handed it to the woman to keep her dry. Meanwhile, the princess casually continued her walk completely unprotected, looking entirely emphasized by the bad weather. Princess Anne has received a great deal of praise on social media after this act of generosity during the ceremony in the rain. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.